Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So you guys are watching e-learning with Suruchi and I'm your educator Suruchi Mahato. And today I came with a new tutorial, that is LaTeX, and in this particular video I will show you how to write a LaTeX code using enumerate environment. So you can see there is a format given, so I am gonna show you how to write this exact format using LaTeX. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's get started. So I'm using incorporating label and ref commands on that. Okay, so please watch the video till end. You will get a proper idea regarding LaTeX and regarding this particular enumerate environment. Okay, so yeah, so here, so for the LaTeX I'm using Windshell. You can use some other text also, like you can use TextMaker to run this kind of programmings, but I'm feeling comfortable to use Windshell, that's what I'm using Windshell. Okay, so at first I've used those preambles, that is slash document class a for this, and after that I start using enumerate environment. For the enumerate environment I have used, you have to write this particular code. So Arabic is basically used to write a small a letters. What is written over there. So Arabic is basically used to write 1. Okay, so 1 2 3, whatever we're writing, we want Arabic. So and elf is for small a and small b. I'm using elf. Okay, so in first let me tell you what is the function of enumerate environment, what we can do on that. So in enumerate environment, inside another enumerate environment, in which case the inner environment will belong to an item of the outer environment. A maximum 4 enumerate environment can be nexted one inside another, producing a hierarchy of items. Okay, so only maximum 4 enumerate environments are acceptable. More than that it is not acceptable. It will create a error on that. So any 4, the maximum 4 enumerate environment can be needed, nested one inside another, producing a hierarchy of items. Okay, so I have used, you can see that I've used for the first I've used 1, for the second I've used 2, and for the third I didn't use 3, because for the first we want Arabic, and the last one we also want Arabic. That's what I've used Arabic 2 times. Okay, so what I did first, for the first I've written begin document, and after that I have wrote whatever was written on that, and after that I start writing enumerate environment. So I wrote begin enumerate environment, and then I used item command on that, that is item whether the following statements are true or false, and then again I wrote begin environment, and then I wrote item over there, and enumerate item what is photosynthesis, this, and after that I just wrote end environment. So let's execute this particular program. Is that any to see that the output of this particular program, first we need to check if there is any error or not. Okay, so first we will click on execute and then LaTeX. So after clicking on LaTeX, you can see there is 0 error, 0 warning, 0 overfull boxes, and 0 onward. So there is no error present. Now let's click on PDF view. I'm using Adobe Reader. You can use some other browser also. Okay, so yeah, I got exactly what I need. Right guys, see what I got is exactly what was written over there. See, this was the thing which I need, and I have written in such a way. You can use some other format also. Okay, so this was today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Please ask your query regarding, if you have any kind of query regarding this LaTeX, then you can ask on the comment box. I will there for you, and keep watching my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.